Cormac McCarthy fans, we are talking about how Tim O'Brien influenced Cormac McCarthy. And McCarthy is such a connoisseur of words. I don't know if he kept journals or notes on all the words and ideas that he liked, but he finds the most random things from authors and inserts them into his own novels. And if you guys are interested in more Cormac McCarthy content, Right Conscious is the headquarters of McCarthy on YouTube. I have a Cormac McCarthy course, Cormac McCarthy shirts, a Cormac McCarthy newsletter, Instagram content on Cormac McCarthy. That's different than this. All the links are down in the description below. But McCarthy stole a word that I've never heard of before from O'Brien and put it into Blood Meridian. So let's hear that. Let's see that word now. And that word is ferric, of or relating to or containing iron. Being or contain iron, usually with a valence of 3. And in O'Brien's novel, Going After Cacciato, he says, quote, "The land was luminous, pink coral and ferric reds, great landfalls of wilderness, and they moved through it for 12 days at a buffalo's pace." McCarthy in Blood Meridian says this: "They crossed the blackened wood of a burn, and then they rode through a region of cloven rock, where great boulders lay halved with smooth, uncentered faces, and on the slopes of those ferric grounds, old paths of fire, and the blackened bones of trees assassinated in the mountain storms." And I just have to say outright that, damn, McCarthy, even though that passage by O'Brien was very good, McCarthy took that word and just used it in just one of his beautiful paragraphs. I mean, just talking about great American writers, that was a magnificent passage. Those ferric grounds, old paths of fire, and the blackened bones of trees assassinated in the mountain storms. I mean, that is wild writing right there. And it could also be linked because Going After Cacciato is a somewhat Apocalypse Now type book. There's a deserter, Cacciato, and he's trying to get to Paris on foot. So the squadron goes after him. And it's kind of just this dark journey type feeling, which Blood Meridian also embodies. So I can see how McCarthy was influenced by this book, or thought that maybe it was a good thing to be looking at for his research in Blood Meridian. So if you guys like this, I will see you guys in the next video on Cormac McCarthy.